remember right.
Oh, this is cool. I love them.
Thank you. God bless you, man.
Yeah, yeah. Good morning. This is a huge yard sale. I'm ready to fill the truck up. Titan deep freeze. White flyer.
Have this for a while, give me $1 and you can take them.
Really? You just want them gone, huh?
Yeah. They're heavy. They're
They are super heavy, I know.
I know they've been, hopefully there's not a whole lot broken in there.
Yeah, that's that. My concern is when it says fragile as eggs, it's probably not something I want to buy. Man, I appreciate the deal though.
Yeah. That's why I was like, for at least $1, we can open it up, and if they're way too broken, then
Yeah.
no.
This is a heat press?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you guys used to. What were you guys working on? T-shirts or?
I do T-shirts.
They were asking $165 for this heat press. Unfortunately, there's no money being made on that. It's not a bad deal for it, but you can get them used on eBay for about 130 bucks.
I did the T-shirts.
Do you still do it, or is this?
Yeah. But I got a different.
Yeah, I was figured. Eventually, everyone always upgrades to the next thing. How much are your plush?
Build-A-Bear ones, I was wanting to make it like 10. The other ones, I mean, 35. You know, that type of
Okay.
thing. I know my grandson went through the Build-A-Bear ones. I'll say about 15 a piece for those, or
Okay.
about 4. I'll do 10 a piece.
Okay. Keep looking here, see what we got.
Most of the stuff's not marked. There's a reasonable offer, you know, that type of thing.
Yeah. These Marvel wall hangers are really cool. They look like they're halfway in your wall and halfway out. Unfortunately, he wanted about 15 bucks a piece for these, and they were only going for about 20 bucks on eBay, so I decided to pass.
I went to go ask for it. Okay, fine.
Kind of a canteen,
Yeah.
mess kit. You kind of pull it down.
Pull this
It's
in.
elastic.
Oh, there you go. How,
Comes off. That's kind of like your soup. It's like your pot. Right?
how old is it?
I want to say it was like post World War II.
Yeah.
You know, I know it's German made, but I think it's probably like maybe maybe Korean, Vietnam era, maybe. I'm not too sure, to tell you the truth.
Gotcha. What are you asking for it?
That's gonna be like 5.
5 bucks?
I think I bought it in a gun shop years ago for like 10 bucks.
Yeah.
Never used it.
Interesting. I like interesting things. It's a cool little piece.
Yeah, I thought it was cool. I was like, you know what, great. And of course, it sits in my room and never does much of anything.
Take a flyer on it. Why not, right?
That's right.
It's interesting. Did the same thing that you did. Just paying it forward, I guess, this time.
Yeah, like I said, I think it was post World War II, but it's like old new inventory because it was never really issued. If I remember right.
Oh, this is cool. No SpongeBob.
Yeah, those
Got a vault machine.
I won't go too far down on those.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a couple things I'm kind of up on there, but everything else is really negotiable.
How much is that?
50 cents.
Grab that.
Your basket? She did fill it up.
Okay, oh, there we go. Perfect. Fill it up. It's like I'm at the store. How much is this?
How about 50 cents?
50 cents. Cool. I'll take it. I got my shopping basket now, and I can really start looking around.
This is brand new. I didn't mean for it to come out. Oh, okay.
Oh, I was just gonna buy that. Oh.
Name me a price. I can get another one.
I like your style. Nicely played. Nicely played. Is this one new or is this one used?
It's used.
Gotcha.
It's not this kind. It's not that.
Oh, it's not that one? So you're tricking me.
Yeah, I should have opened it already up.
Oh, gotcha. It's the older one.
Yeah.
Okay. Nah. Okay.
I guess I should leave it open.
Yeah, there you go. Need help?
I got it. There we go.
Maybe put that on the table. There you go. Now I'm on the payroll.
Well, it's a small fee that you have.
It's a small payment, right? Checks in the mail, right?
It's volunteer action.
You volunteer action. I gotta read that fine print. It gets me every time. Can work left and right over here. How much is mug?
Mug.
Oh, it's his mug.
He did most of the marketing.
Gotcha. What?
$1.
Dollar? Okay. Throw it in my basket of goodies.
That one is missing the coin.
In the coin spot.
Well, the plug, I guess you could say.
Oh, yeah.
There's a little plastic piece.
Every time I find banks, they're always the plug's always missing.
Well, the worst part about it, I don't know why I lost it because all I did was hang it on my wall.
Yeah.
So it's not like it was used or anything like that, and I'm just like, ah. But I always had the box because every time I put something like that,
Yeah.
I'll keep the box up in the attic.
It's cool looking.
I can open it up and show you. You see the plug thing is missing right there.
Right
but-
there, gotcha.
Yeah, but I
Oh,
have-
that's like a different plug. Is that the universal plug?
Yeah, it was like it was like a plastic piece that
Yeah.
went in and it had like a little lever.
Yeah,
on
and it clicks,
like
yeah.
that. So, I mean, but I had it just on a wall, so I don't know why I lost it.
Yeah.
That's the way I came in this morning.
Oh, that's such a cool beer sign.
That's the mirror glass. I didn't realize it, but that's the Super
year
Bowl
Yeah.
for the.
Yep.
Bucks when they won.
So I was like doing the whole thing. That
Yeah.
lights up. Yeah, it's like a little fiber.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's cool. Interesting. I love these little monster trucks.
Yeah.
Yeah. When I was a kid, I absolutely loved. It was like one of my favorite things. Oh, is that a Minecraft?
Yeah, Minecraft. It actually still lights up. It's hard to see.
Must have light up.
Yeah, it still lights up. You get it
That's
somewhere
cool.
dark and you get
Yeah. Throw that in my cart. Yeah, these are cool. I love them. Brings me back to my childhood. Bigfoot was like, when I was growing up, I wanted that Bigfoot so bad. Yeah, they had a big remote control one that you can control and just drive around, and like I wanted it so bad for Christmas.
We had the grave digger one.
Oh, the gravedigger? Oh.
I'll try to take a few bucks before I go in.
All right. What do I owe you?
Yeah, we'll bundle it up. Let's see.
All right. I like your style.
15 for everything.
15 for everything?
Yeah, that might be like these like.
Yeah,
50,
yeah,
60
yeah, yeah.
keys
Yeah,
and-
that's fine. Would you take 50 for the blower?
Sure.
65?
Yeah, 65.
Cool. I appreciate you working with me. Who do I pay the money to?
You can give it to me. I'll take it.
So give me 15 then. Oh, these Christmas ornaments?
Yes.
Oh, these are cool.
Yeah. You got the two left. That was it.
Yeah, these two.
Yeah.
Is it $3 for the pair, or is it $3 each?
$3 each.
Okay.
Those were my sisters from Tennessee, so
What is this?
that's a
Thank you.
collector's mug for the. I think that's a Volkswagen,
Oh yeah,
or is that the?
it's Volkswagen.
Yeah. They always do something big. Now that is a collectible.
Yeah, this is cool.
Yeah.
Press glass.
That.
Toothpick holder. Oh, I like this Pepsi Cola thing.
Yeah. I enjoyed that. Though you don't use a straw. We did.
I do. Yeah, I pulled the straws out of them.
Yeah.
Reminds me of the old ice cream shops from like the 50s. You know, that's
Yeah.
cool. Salt and pepper shaker.
Now those are reproduction.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, buddy, can you just come get that?
Don't use it.
We'll do 2 for $5.
Sure, why not?
These are cool. I like these. You have any other Starbucks mugs?
No.
No. There you go.
Oh, okay.
Starbucks.
No, does she? Throw that in my box. All right, so with this giant sale, see what we can find.
Full bag for $2.
Right to the okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir.
All of it. All of it. Thank you. And we have that donation.
Donations, and where's the money? Is it going to a certain cause?
Yes, for pastor's wife got cancer, and
Aw.
we try to help other people.
Gotcha.
too.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, let's see what I can do to help out.
Yes,
So,
sir. Thank you. God
yeah.
bless you.
Yep. $2. Huh. Oh, this is cool. Is this Ninja Turtles? Each show it is Ninja Turtles. VHS movies. What is this from? Sir, if stuff's are priced, is that the price of the item?
No, sir. Like we really want to
Just clear stuff out.
Yes,
Gotcha.
yes,
Okay.
yes. Now, if you want, I mean, the clothes and everything, if it fits in the bag, $2. Now, if it doesn't fit, we could make a price.
Okay, no
All right?
problem. Yep. I was just confused because everything had price points on it.
It probably got a price, but at the end, we could make you a better price.
Okay.
If,
What is this Florida State thing?
Wait a minute.
Gosh.
yes, ma'am. Okay. What's your name, sir? Baker.
What's the bag?
Everything in the bag. Stuff in the bag. $2. $2 a bag.
If y'all need a box, y'all let me.
How you doing, sir?
Good. Do you have another bag I can get? So I can.
Okay, you want another bag?
Yeah, please.
All right, they're right there.
Right here.
No, maybe that's not it.
There you go. What do you
You need
need?
a
I'm gonna get these. So,
All of it? All of it?
yeah. I
So
think
you need a big bag. That,
So just give me a price for all this here.
let's see.
About $5.
Give me $5.
You know what?
$5.
Tony, are you getting
My
on this?
No.
listen, my mom had cancer as
We're
well,
donating. Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you.
so it's really close and dear to my heart. So
Thank you.
Oh,
this
God bless you.
here's 40.
thank you. God bless you, man.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Yeah, you guys do. So
Thank you very
God
much.
bless you.
God bless you, sir.
Yeah.
That's-
Let me help you. You got it?
I just want to put that stuff in the bag. I don't want the box.
Oh, okay. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Yeah. Listen, I know how it is and
We
what
can
families
use
go
the
through.
box. Thank you.
Yeah, you guys can use the box, and then hopefully the extra cash helps out a little bit.
This bag's good?
Yes, yeah, that's fine,
right.
sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Hang on.
Nice. And God bless you.
You guys, good luck with your guys' sale.
Thank you. Thank you.
God bless you.
Hope everything works out with her.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, guys, I'm going to end that video right here. You know, what a cool moment that was. That guy came up to me and just jumped out of his seat and pretty much gave me a giant. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to lie. That was a pretty amazing moment right there. I'm not gonna lie, that was a pretty amazing moment. I wasn't prepared for the guy to just come over and just hug me. So that was a super cool moment. For those that don't know, when I was probably in middle school growing up, my mom got diagnosed with cancer. She's cancer free now for like 30 years, but it was a rough time on us kids and the family. Anytime I hear situations where people are trying to raise money for cancer, trying to raise money to help their loved ones there, it always pulls at my heartstrings there. So I want to try to be fair too, because they are trying to raise this money for fundraiser. That little electronic device thing, that'll give me like 20 bucks, probably some of that ballpark. And then all that hair dye, there's only 2 or 3 that sold in the last 90 days, and they sold for like 20 bucks a piece. But there's people that have like 3 or 4 lots up of just 3 or 4 containers, anywhere from like 30 to 40 bucks. So I think I may get 60, 70 bucks maybe for all that hair dye, and then I'll get 25 bucks for the other stuff I got. So I get about 100 bucks. So I give them 40 bucks for all that stuff, and I feel good about it because I'll probably make just a double up after fees, and they're getting money to help raise for fundraiser. So super cool. For those that don't know, I actually have a second channel called Flipping and Punching. It's more the behind the scenes of all these picks, what we're selling on eBay, how our day-to-day business is going, how whatnot's going. So I'll put a link down in the description down below. Make sure you guys go click on that. Check out a video too. Make sure you guys subscribe. We're trying to build that channel up. Guys, thank you so much for your support. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.